Much. New tonight, Joshua Levy, the U.S. Attorney General for the District of Massachusetts, will be stepping down. Attorney Levy became the acting U.S. Attorney back in May of 2023 and was twice nominated by President Joe Biden. Under his leadership, Jack Teixeira was sentenced for leaking highlighted classified documents. Charges were brought against two men for their alleged involvement in a scheme to translate sensitive drone information to Iran and brought several prosecutions from the Human Trafficking and Civil Rights Unit. Levy will officially resign on January 17th, and acting First Assistant U.S. Attorney Mary B. Moraine will assume the position following his departure. In a joint session of